Morning and welcome to Pink Poodle 2. I am Pink Poodle. This is Maisie the East End Poodle. Say hello, Maisie. And this is West End Poodle, West End Priscilla. Say hello, Priscilla. And I do have two poodles who happen to be in the other room at the moment, and they're called Billy Bum Bum and Lady Dora, and together we're Pink Poodle 2. So today we're going to be doing a look using, I'm going to put the girls down just for a second, using one of the Mother's Day presents that I got from my son, which is the Revolution Easter, and this is what she looks like inside. I'll insert swatches again now from the other day so you can refresh your memory. Yeah, there's only one matte, which is this one, and the rest are shimmers, and this is a highlight here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this palette, which is what I got free because I spent over the amount of money, and it was the present from Revolution because they were $5. So I've never used this palette. I will insert swatches now. And this is what she looks like. So I'm thinking using a couple of these just for defining the crease, along with this one that's the matte, and just a few light shades just so we get a little bit of a thing going. So yeah, this is the one that you got free, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm also going to be using my Jeffree Star lipsticks, but I'm going to do the eyeliner in yellow. So let's see how we got on. If you'd like to see how we get on. Also, welcome to all of my new subscribers, because I have a few and I'm very grateful for that. Thank you guys for joining our PP2 family, and welcome. And if you like this video, at the end of it, please give me a pause up and like, share, normal things. But you know, even if you just come along and you watch us, thank you, appreciate it. So without further ado, with that being all said, let's get on with it.
First of all, I'm going into the shade Flawless, and I'm just putting it all over my lid just to make the transitions easy, and just like tapping it. Then I went in with the shade Stone and started to deepen up the crease slightly. Also, there's a little bit of a colour there going on because there's no really crease colour apart from that yellow in this palette. I'm just sort of, you see, just darkening the crease, going over and rubbing it over and blending a bit more and blending it out on both eyes. And I'm just looking for something, God knows what I'm looking for. Oh, then we've gone into the tawny shade, and that's slightly darker, so we're just patting it on, and then we're starting to blend it out. And yeah, we're going along the crease, blending as we go, and a good old blend, blend. Yeah, and we've now picked up a blending Luxie brush, and we're blending that with that brush. Now put my glasses on. I don't know why am I putting my glasses on? I'm looking at something. I want to have a look at it properly. Then I'm still blending with that Luxie brush. And look in the mirror. Then I've gone in with the chocolate egg this time, and I've gone in with that nice yellow shade, like a yellowy mustardy shade it is. And I'm using a Real Techniques shadow brush, blending brush should I say, and we're just blending and blending and blending.
Real Techniques blending brush, I put on that mustardy colour and started to add it to my crease little by little and building up the colour. As you see, I've gone in with a flatter brush to pick up more products, and then back in with a blending brush. So we've got, because the blending brush wasn't picking it up as much as I wanted it, so I just put on a little flat brush, as you can see, and I'm patting it on there, trying to build up the pigment. It's a beautiful colour as well, once it's sort of like on your eyes, as you see. Like, it was just, and then I went in with the darker shade again that I used before, which was called, what was it called? I will tell you what it's called because I've gotten forgotten. Tawny, just to darken the edge of the crease up, and then just sort of like went back in, just did a bit more blending, so we just got a bit of a darker crease on the outer V. And then I went in and what did I do next? I cut the crease using my e.l.f. I absolutely love that concealer, and I cut the crease on both eyes, as you can see. And yeah, with my brush, I normally use my, I always patted it down so that it was nice and sort of creaseless, as they say. And then I went in with the colour again on like a little flat brush just to go at the edge so it was sort of like a bit more tidier. Then I went in with a flat brush and I went in with that beautiful greeny type brown, well, ferny greeny colour, really beautiful colour. Absolutely love that. It was really nice to put on. I did put it on dry, but then I wet my brush a little bit just to get, as you can see, and just to get a bit more sort of intensity out of it. Intensity, is that the word? Intensity. I can't say the word, but you know what I mean. I'm just choosing my words. Intensity. No, I can't say it. I'm going to say it again. So yeah, so we've got like the green coming on both eyes now. I'm just going over, and absolutely love the shade, as I said. It's beautiful, just on your lid, just with a little bit of crease colour, and you'd be ready to go. But not me, I want to be a bit extra, so I just did half my cut crease in this green colour, and I'd look at it thinking, yeah, just a bit more intensity with it. Intensity, that's the word. And then I went in with another flat brush into the brownie colour. Yeah, I think it's, yeah, the brownie colour. Oh, I've got a bit cold by this point, so I put a cardigan on, and then just went in the other half of my crease. And this is a beautiful chocolatey brown, which was really lovely. Really like this colour as well. And the clips in my hair are what I made. Me and Lily made them together. I thought it looked quite springy with having it on. There's Dora. And then I decided to do the lower lash line with the same colours that I used on my upper. So I put the green, and Dora's looking at me very lovingly there, green and the brown and the yellow on the bottom lash line, just smoked it out. And really did enjoy doing this look, really did. So I did that, and also at the beginning, like all my normal base stuff that I normally do, that's why I did tape it, but then I cut it because I thought you've seen it a million times. Then I've gone in with the Jeffree Star Queen Bee liquid lip, and I put it because you can use them on your eyes because they're vegan and cruelty free, so they're alright to go in your eye. That's why they're so versatile. So I put the yellow one in for first time I've ever done it. Then I top-lined my top line with my Makeup Forever black pencil brush. What am I talking about? Pencil. Then I went over again with the green, just to make sure that it was really intensified as much as I wanted it to, because sometimes it loses it, but I went on the bottom of it just so that it all rounded it all off. And then what did we do after that? Just kept looking at myself in the mirror thinking, that looks good. And then we got the You Can Be glittery eyeliners that I love to use. It only cost like £1.60 from AliExpress, and this is like a jadey colour, and I thought it'd go really nice with the colours that I had on, and I was quite correct. So it's got that little bit of glitter to it. Then I looked at myself and thinking, oh yeah, what do I need next? And I think I was sorting out my eyelashes at this point. Yes, I was. And they are the Ira Lashes 150. And yeah, I thought I'd show you me putting on an eyelash. I absolutely love lashes now. I don't know what it is, but I love them. And I would love to get sponsored for an eyelash company to try out their lashes, but it's never going to happen. So until then, I have to buy them. Which I like to buy them. I buy all different types. I do like a full slash now, so I think they look really nice with the look. It really does make it pop. And then I was putting the highlighter. I think it was a white highlighter I put in my inner corner. Oh no, sorry, I was putting the pink in my inner corner, and then I put the white on my brow bone. Oh no, sorry, yellow. Honestly, I can't see the colours. The yellow on my brow bone, and then I used the white as the highlighter. Got it right in the end. It's been a long day. And then I sprayed my face first, because I always do that before I put my highlighter on. And then I got my lovely highlighting brush that I use all the time from AliExpress and Focalor. Love this brush, and I just highlighted myself so much that I grew and glowed. And basically that's it. And the lipstick I got from Phase Zero, which is a gloss called Baby Pink. And that's all what I did. So thank you very much. So this is the finished look, guys. What do you think? I really do like it. I really enjoyed doing it. I'm sorry if you can hear the dogs barking. Poodle Paul's taking Matt for a walk, and Dora goes a bit loopy-loo. But yeah, so I really enjoyed doing this. I used all of the colours from the chocolate egg. The only thing I would say about it is there's only one crease colour that you can use for transition and everything, so I had to use some from the Beyond Flawless palette that I got free when I ordered my Revolution things. So you know, what you can say to everyone? Say, if you like Mummy's look and video, please give Mummy a paws up. And if you're new, say hello, Billy, to everyone. Say hello to the young lady that we met outside Primark, and she's now become a subscriber. So thank